The story of Fidgety Philip Part 2. This picture shows us a family is going to have their dinner, but as the child is very naughty, he doesn't sit still, he keeps on moving, due to which he falls down with the tablecloth and the things on the table. Let us just overlook the story of Fidgety Philip Part 1 so that we can continue our Part 2. In this part, we have seen the poet wants Philip to be a gentleman and also he wants him to sit still. Sit still means not doing any movement. Papa said him to behave as well. Mama looked very seriously at Philip. But this Fidgety Philip means restless child. A child who doesn't sit still without any movement. He won't sit still, he wiggles and giggles. He was twisting and turning, laughing and repeatedly doing the same thing, and then he was going back, coming front, tilting up his chair like a rocking horse. And then Papa said, Philip, I am getting very cross. You are going on becoming very naughty day by day and you are becoming very violent nowadays. So he continues to do the thing till he falls down. And when he falls down, he tries to prevent himself by catching the tablecloth. But what happens? He falls down with all the thing on him. Now we are going to see the second part of the story of Fidgety Philip. Down upon the ground they fall, glasses, plates, knives, forks and all. Philip falls down with all the things over him, that is glasses, plates, knives, fork, everything falls on him. How Mama did fret and frown when she saw them tumbling down. When Mama saw everything falling down, tumbling down means falling down, she was very unhappy, worried as well disappointed. And Papa made such a face, Philip is in sad disgrace. When Papa made such a face, Philip was very sad and disgraced. Disgrace means feeling very bad due to bad behavior. Where is Philip? Where is he? Fairly covered up you see. And father is asking, where is Philip? Where is he? Then Mama says, fairly covered up. He is covered up with the tablecloth you see. Cloths and all are lying on him. He has pulled down all upon him. Tablecloth and everything on the table are lying on him. He has pulled down all the things upon him. What a terrible to do. Dishes, glasses snapped in two. What an extremely bad thing to do. Dishes, glasses, everything has snapped into, broken into two parts. Here a knife and there a fork. Here is the knife and there is the fork. Philip, this is cruel work. Philip, this is not at all a good work. Table also bare and poor Papa and poor Mama look quite cross and wonder how they shall have the dinner now. In the table there is nothing. No tablecloth, no glass, no plate, no knife, no forks. Nothing is there, and poor Papa and poor Mama are now crossed due to his behavior and wondering, thinking what they shall have for their dinner. That's it for today, students. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe my channel to know more English grammar from Suman's Academy.